The Royal Melbourne Show is an annual event that takes place at the Flemington Racecourse or the Melbourne Showgrounds. It's an event where farmers showcase their animals, they enter competitions to win prizes. The animals on display are your usual goat, sheep, ducks, pigs, and your everyday farm animals. It's very interesting that this occasion or this event takes place during the school holidays, so it's packed with school kids and families and people of all ages. There are activities and rides and things that people can engage in and have a lot of fun. Show bags are awesome to have, and these show bags contain a lot of merchandises that you can take away from the show. My favorite part of the show is the petrol heads, doing their thing.
Yeah, really number two. What are you doing, my friend? You bred